Hi guys, and welcome to another edition of Cooking with Vera. Today we will be making a Mexican style pasta salad. I love this on hot summer days. I love it on Meatless Mondays or for potlucks when you go to your friend's house. Let's get started. Okay, let's start with the pasta. This is the estrellas. I like them because they're small, perfect bite size. Cook them for about 7 to 8 minutes, no max, because if you overcook them, they get mushy and that's not good. Let's go. Okay, next up, the best part, the vinaigrette. So you are going to use about 1/3 cup of lemon or lime juice or a combination of both. To the blender, a tablespoon of orange juice to cut back on the acidity, 1/2 cup of olive oil. That's my timer. That means the pasta's done. I've got to go turn it off. Don't go away. I'll be right back. So up next, now you've got your liquids in the blender. We're going to have a little piece of garlic. We're going to just smash that tiny piece of garlic because you don't want it to overpower, you just want it to infuse the dressing. You will do the same thing with the jalapeno. Again, just a small piece, few sprigs of cilantro because this is a lime cilantro dressing. A little less than a tablespoon of salt. All right, let's blend it, baby. All right, now we're going to pour a little bit of the vinaigrette into the pasta so that the pasta starts to marinate. See how delicate this is? This is why you want to make sure that you don't overcook the pasta. So the salad is in the refrigerator, marinating in the vinaigrette, and now it's time to move on to dice and chop the rest of the ingredients. Add a little bit more dressing and toss it and you're done. This is a simple and easy recipe that can be adjusted to your taste. So if it needs more citrus, more spice, or more salt, feel free. Now let's take a look at those ingredients for you. Here are your ingredients. Package of small pasta, frozen roasted corn, black beans, yellow or orange bell pepper, diced tomatoes, small, thinly diced onion, a bunch of cilantro, and avocado slices or cheese to garnish. For the dressing, olive oil, fresh lemon or lime juice, garlic, cilantro, orange juice, jalapeno, and salt. Enjoy. So as my mom would say, buen provecho, and the next time I see you, we'll be back in the studio.